live in a time namhlanje, as I said a few months ago, ngithi usathane uyayibuka into bese efuna he duplicates it in order to confuse. So he duplicates it. Namhlanje ibonakaliso azisho ukuthi nansi indlela kaNkulunkulu. Ibonakaliso they are not necessarily an evidence of a presence of God. Which is why abantu abakholwayo namhlanje, they should not just seek out miracles, but they must look closely and listen closely ukuthi eziphi ezinye izindlela okubonakala ngazo. Nazi izinto ezintathu engithanda ukuthi mangiqala ngiqale ngathi uthi uJesu Kristu mayikhuluma ngokukhanyisela uthi niyobazi ngemisebenzi yabo, you'll know them by their fruits. Lezi zinto ezintathu engikhuluma ngazo ezilwaneni, umbala, the sound and the smell, izinto lezi ekholweni okumele sibe nazo, ngamanye amazwi the ability to discern. I call ukuthula makubekini, ngikhulume about discernment a couple of months ago, the ability to discern. Ngoba uma umuntu ezofika enza ibonakaliso kodwa iphunga lakhe lingesilo, leli phunga elifuze iphunga lalo wangena qala uJehova wamabandla. AbakaNkulunkulu nabasemoyeni kaNkulunkulu abazi iphunga likaNkulunkulu basheshe bamxoshe ukuthi ayisayibona imisebenzi yakho unemkhuba. Ya washo thula makuthi usho njalo ushenge lapha iganga insizwa wathi hayi busuganga wena musuganga. Isizulu lesi, I love my language. Isizulu lesi makuthiwa musuganga, uganga kuthiwa ingane yaganga, but uganga it is mischief. That is the direct translation of ganga. It is mischief. So might musuganga wena uthi stop being mischievous. Stop with your mischief. Now usathane ugangile. Usathane is mischievous bazalwane. And umama kholwa enomoya ingcwele kodwa engakwazi ukusebenzisa umoya ingcwele to understand uganga kukaSathane, the mischief kaSathane. They get lost. And they get fooled by the mischief kaSathane. Lento ekhuzwa lapha ebukhosini bakwaZulu esaqhubeka isenzeka nje wasibona sifunda siqhubeka sibona ukuthi iyabhebhetheka uganga and the mischief kaSathane, because he is planning to destroy lokho kumele kwenzeke esizweni. Kodwa abantu abanomoya, ngikhuluma ngesizwe ngibuyele ebandleni, abantu abanomoya, they understand